Hello, leo tunataka kutengeneza eggless pancake kwa wale wenye wako allergic to eggs na utaenjoy. So tunahitaji 2 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon baking powder, na tutamix dry ingredient together kabla tujaongeza vegetable oil, na tuongeze maziwa. Tuta whisk mpaka tutengeneze butter medium, isiwe thick isiwe thin. So tutaongeza maziwa na to mix. Unaona consistency ni poa. Alafu tutaweka margarine. Ukiwa na butter is better. Unaweza tumia non-stick pan, then we add our butter there. So you wait until bubbles pop up, then you flip over. You see it's very nice. You cook for 2 minutes, then you repeat for the rest. The same process. This thing you can take with you can add honey or anything to accompany it. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye.